All right. Well, hey everybody. Welcome back to another episode with me, Rodney Rednick. We're gonna do a video today about whether or not something I saw on Facebook was real. Now, this advertisement I was watching, scrolling through, creeping up on people, and this ad came through, and it was like, you buy this stuff, and it is gonna be like magic. And I watched these people in minutes fixing car windows. They was fixing cell phones. I mean, they was fixing everything. And I was like, oh my golly, I gotta get some of that stuff, because boy, I could just fix all kind of stuff. So I ordered some. And not only did I order some, I ordered 2 times as much because I saved half as much on the second one, so it was a good deal. Now, what we're gonna do is find out if this is real, because I was wondering, and I don't know if I got screwed on this by buying 2. So, we got this here is a Galaxy Note 5, and we're gonna just take a quick peeky-loo under the microscope, because under the scope we're going to be able to see there's a hell of a tear in this screen. Like it's a gaping gash scraped right out, but it ain't no crack. So if you can see that right there, oh, let's get some sunlight on it. Oh yeah, oh look at that, that son of a gun is one deep gnarly crack, and that is what we're going to fix, because this stuff was supposed to do that. So how about we get started? We're going to clean this baby up and make sure we do it right. So we're just prepping the spot over the actual wound, because we're using alcohol here. We're going to clean up, make sure there ain't nothing getting infected. Then we'll use a dry one to just clean it. That looks alright. Alright, we got a drop on there. Gonna let it sit for just a minute. And then we're going to take this here piece of plastic and we're going to lay it right down on there, and I think we're going to gently just touch it. And now we're going to grab an ultraviolet flashlight. This is like sunshine in a flashlight. Never believe it. When I'm feeling down and I need my D, I just turn this baby right on my face and I'm like, oh, it's like getting a suntan. Well, alright. Well, I'm pretty sure this stuff is set up. It's been quite a long time. So we're gonna now peel. Oh, hot dang. Maybe that ain't done yet. Let's let it cook more. Alright. Well, we'll just take that stuff off now. And they gave us this here razor. Now this razor could be used for like cutting up your blow, but we don't do that kind of stuff around here, so we're gonna use it just for scraping, okay? I'm gonna do it under the microscope because it might look interesting. I don't think it's fully cured. Still a bit wet. Let's cure it some more. God dang, this stuff takes a long time. Alright, so we're going to go a little more high-tech with a great big one. That's really high-tech. Alright, we'll come back in a minute. Well, alright, I think this thing is super cooked under the super cooker. Shut that off before we get skin cancer. Alright, back under the scope. And let's see what this stuff does. Alright, so gentle scraping with the razor. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Just scraping that surface layer right off. All the way off. Alright. Do we see our scratches? God dang right, I see scratches. Let's clean this gun up. Yep, look at them goddamn scratches right there. I bet this crap, man. They saw me coming. They advertised just twice and I was like, give it to me. That crap don't work for snot. What a waste. Well, I'm going to give it one more shot in future, but as of right now, These people on Facebook, they screwing you. Get your money back or don't waste it at all. Put it on good stuff like good stuff. But thanks for watching. This is a debunked. This stuff is garbage and it don't work. Have a nice day. We'll see you again on another one if, yeah, that's how it goes. Bye.